Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix screen resolution problem on your Windows. Now without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So let's start with restarting our Windows because once you restart with Windows, temporary issues can be fixed. So what you can do is you need to make a right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and restart your Windows. So try restarting first. If that worked for your issue, then good. But if not, then you can simply move to the next methods. Right click at the start button and here you will find settings, or you can directly search for settings in the Windows search bar to easily access settings. Now here in the list of options on the left, then we have to look for system. Here we can find display. You will find display resolution. Now click on this drop down arrow and here you just need to simply choose one by one as to what resolution will work for you. So if the second resolution, click on that. If this work for you, then you can click on keep changes, but if not, you can click on revert. And then you can also choose another resolution. If this worked for you, you can click on keep changes, but if not, you can always click on revert. So you just need to simply choose in the list for the display resolution as to what resolution will work for you. And also for the scale, the same thing, you just need to simply choose as to what will work for you. Now once done, for the next method, right click at the start button and here you need to select device manager in the list of options. Now, once the device manager window is opened, in here we need to simply look for display adapters. So we need to make sure that our graphics card driver is updated. So once you find the display adapters, right click on your graphics card, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed, which is a very good thing. Now you can close this window and you can just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart the window after updating your driver. And for the next method, we can also, or we need to also make sure that our Windows operating system is updated, because once updated, this will give you a better performance and will, you can rarely face an issue once you're updated. So click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Click on Windows Update in the list of options on the left pane and simply click the button right here. So that will check for all the updates on your Windows and absolutely make sure that your Windows is up to date. And once done, that's it. So if any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.